Today we are going to discuss about matrices. Matrices means it is a rectangular array of numbers or symbols arranged in rows and columns. Matrices എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിംബൽസിന്റെ ഒരു അറേഞ്ച്മെന്റ് ആണ്. നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓർ സിംബൽസ്. മെട്രിസസ് നമ്മൾ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റേഴ്സിലാണ്. A, B, C, like matrices are denoted by capital letters, and matrices are denoted within square bracket. Within the square bracket. For example, A is equal to I told that matrices are the array of numbers or arrangement of numbers or symbols in rows and columns. So let us see an example. A is equal to matrix O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is an arrangement of numbers in rows and columns within square bracket. So this is an example for matrix. Matrices are the plural form of matrix. Matrix is singular, and in the plural term is matrices. So A is equal to matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is arranged in rows and columns. First row, second row, and also first column, second column, and third column. In this matrix, we can see that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So next, let us look the order of matrix. The number of rows and number of columns in the matrix. M by n. M is read as M by n. The order is represented by M by n. M into n. Write as M into n, but read as M by n. That means M indicates here number of rows. M indicates the number of rows in the matrix, and n for number of column in that matrix. So in this matrix, number of rows are 2. 2 by n indicates the number of columns. There are 3 columns. 2 into 3 or 2 is read as 2 by 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 by n. 2 by 3 or M by n. Then next, let us look the types of matrix. Rectangular matrix, square matrix, row matrix, column matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix, null matrix, and diagonal matrix. Let us look the types of matrix. First one, rectangular matrix. If the matrix is arranged by M by n, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is one type of rectangular matrix. That means number of column and number of rows are not equal. M not equal to n. Number of rows and number of columns are not equal. Then we can say that it is rectangular matrix. The order of this matrix is 3, by 3. 2 by 3. 2 is not equal to 3. Number of rows and columns are not equal. Then it is one type of rectangular matrix. Then in the case of square matrix, suppose A is equal to matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this matrix, we can see that number of rows and columns are equal, or the order of the matrix is 3 by 3, or number of rows and the number of columns are equal. Then we can say that it is one type of square matrix. So there is n number of columns and n number of rows. N number of columns and n number of rows. 3 by 3 matrix. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a matrix of order 2. Order 2 or 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Order 2. Then next type of matrix is row matrix. Row matrix. If a matrix has only one row, that matrix is known as row matrix. For example, A is equal to, calculator A is equal to matrix of 1 row, 4, 5, 6, 7. Matrix 4, 5, 6, 7. Here only one row. One row is there, and there are 4 columns. The order of this matrix is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 row and 4 columns. So that is known as row matrix. If a matrix has only one row and number of columns is known as row matrix. Or the order of row matrix should be always 1 into n. 1 into n. Always 1 into n. One number of row and n number of columns. Then in the case of column matrix, for example, A is equal to matrix of 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can see that there are only one column and number of rows, 4 rows. 4 by 1. The order of this matrix is 4 by 1. 4 by 1. Or the order of column matrix should be always m into 1. M into 1. Only one columns and a different number of rows. That is known as column matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is the matrix of scalar matrix is one type of square matrix. Scalar matrix എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു square matrix ആണ്. But the elements in the principal diagonal are equal. 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5. In this matrix, we can see that all the elements in the principal diagonal. This diagonal is known as principal diagonal or leading diagonal. This diagonal is known as principal diagonal or leading diagonal. If all the elements in the principal diagonal are equal and other elements are 0, is known as scalar matrix. So scalar matrix is one type of square matrix in which all the elements in the principal diagonal are equal and other elements should be 0. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള matrix നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ scalar matrix എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Then next, unit matrix. Unit matrix is also one type of square matrix. For example, A is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 unit. In this matrix, we can see that all the elements in the principal diagonal, all the elements in the principal diagonal are equal to 1, equal are other 1 and equal to 1, and others are 0 is known as unit matrix. Unit matrix is a one type of square matrix in which all the elements in the principal diagonal are equal to 1 and other elements are 0. Unit matrix is normally denoted by capital letter I. Then next type of matrix is null matrix. Null matrix means a matrix which all the elements are 0. All the elements in that matrix will be 0, or it is also known as zero matrix. In a matrix, all the elements are 0. You can say that it is one type of null matrix or zero matrix. Then next, diagonal matrix. Suppose A is equal to matrix 4. Diagonal matrix A is equal to matrix of 5 0 0 0 6 5 6 0 0 0 7. In this matrix, all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. All the elements except principal diagonal elements are 0. That matrix is known as diagonal matrix. In a 2 by 2 matrix, the total elements will be 4. 2 into 2, that is 4. In 3 by 3 matrix, the total elements will be 9. Like that, if we know the order of the matrix, we can find the total elements of that matrix. Suppose the order of matrix is 6 into 4, then the total number of elements in that matrix is 6 into 4, that is 4 elements. Next we have trace of matrix. Trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix means the sum of elements in a principal diagonal or principal diagonal. Trace of a matrix means the sum of elements in a principal diagonal. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The trace of this matrix is principal diagonal in the principal diagonal 2, 6, then 10. So 2 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 18. Trace of A is equal to AC. Trace of A is equal to 18. Trace of A is denoted by TRE. Trace of A is equal to 8. So trace of A indicates the sum of elements in a principal diagonal. Next we have equality of two matrix. Equality of matrix indicates A equal to B. When we can say that matrix A equal to B, that means if both matrix are same order same order and equal elements and equal corresponding elements. Equal corresponding elements is known as equality of two matrices. For example, A equal to matrix of 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7. Then B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7. We can say that A equal to matrix A equal to matrix B. Why? Because the order of matrix A is 2 into 3, 2 by 3, and same the order of matrix B is also 2 by 3, and the corresponding elements are equal 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. So we can say that A equal to B. Equality of two matrix, that means A equal to B, or if both matrices have same order and equal corresponding elements. Next, let us see one example. Find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B so that A equal to B. Matrix A equal to matrix B. Where matrix A equal to matrix of 2A 1 B 0 3, and B is matrix B is equal to 2 4 1 2A plus 5 0 A minus 1. In the given question, we need to find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B so that matrix A equal to B, and the matrix B equal are equality matrix are same order are, so it is equal matrix, and we need to find the values of A and B. 2 equal to 3, so A equal to 4. We know if both matrices are equal, then corresponding elements will be also equal. Then A equal to 4. Here A equal to 4. A equal to 4. Now A ന്റെ value കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. Then we need to find the value of B also. 1 equal to 1, 0 equal to 0. B equal to 2A plus 5. B is equal to 2A plus 5. 2A plus 5. B is equal to 2 into A number കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. 2 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30. So A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 30. Let us see another example. Find the values of X, Y and Z if 4, 0, 6, minus 2, 3, 1 equal to matrix of X, 0, 6, Y plus 4, Z by 3, 1. ഈ രണ്ട് മെട്രിക്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. This matrix is equal to this matrix. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ we need to find the values of X, Y and Z. Here matrix equal ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം order should be same and corresponding elements should be also same. So X is equal to 4. Corresponding elements will be same. X is equal to 4. X കണ്ടു. Then Y plus 4 is equal to Y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 and Z by 3 is equal to 3. Z by 3 is equal to 3. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 2. So Y is equal to minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 and Z by 3 is equal to 3. So Z is equal to 3 into 3. 3 into 3, that is 9. Z is equal to 9. Next we have transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix means matrix obtained from a given matrix by interchanging the its rows and columns. Transpose of a matrix. ഒരു മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ റോസും കോളംസും ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന മെട്രിക്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ഓഫ് എ മെട്രിക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ A, the given matrix A is equal to matrix of 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the matrix of order 3 or 3 by 3. And the transpose of this matrix, transpose of matrix A is equal to, the transpose of matrix is denoted by A raised to P or
A dash.
Then transpose of A is equal to interchanging the rows and the columns of given matrix. The given matrix is this A is equal to matrix of 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Interchanging the rows and the columns. So in the transpose matrix, the rows will become columns and the columns will become the rows of A transpose. So A transpose is equal to first row 2, 3, 5. This will become the column 2, 3, 5. And second row 6, 7, 8. This will become the second column 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11. This row will become the third column 9, 10, 11. So A transpose is the interchanging of rows and columns of a given matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is one type of square matrix in which A is equal to A transpose. ഒരു മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസും given matrixും equal ആണെങ്കിൽ we can say that is a symmetric matrix. See this example, A is equal to matrix of 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 7, 8. The transpose of A is A transpose is equal to, just interchange the rows and columns. 1, 2, 3. This row will become the column. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 5, 7. This will become the second column. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. This row 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8 will become the third column. 3, 7, 8. See, A and A transpose are equal. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 7, 8. Same as 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7 and 3, 7, 8. So, if A is equal to A transpose, A is equal to A transpose, that is known as symmetric matrix. ഒരു മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ, തന്നിട്ടുള്ള മെട്രിക്സും അതിന്റെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള മെട്രിക്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് സിംമെട്രിക് മെട്രിക്സ്.